Students, we are studying the unit celebration, and in the previous video we have learnt about how to make a timeline. So we have seen the example also of that, and then there was a question to create your own timeline. So I hope you have created your own timeline in your notebooks. So students, C13, next question is also related with the 12th question. You know what they are asking you to do? As an extension activity, use the timeline to create the story of your life, the story of my life. I was born on. You know what you are supposed to do now? You have made a timeline, right? Like this, you have made a timeline. So, according to your timeline only, you are supposed to write a story of your life, the story of my life, right? Whatever events you have mentioned in the timeline, those events you are supposed to write in the sentences here now. How you are going to start it? I was born on. So, here I was born on 2005 in Mumbai. In 2006, my sister Nishtha was born. In 2007, I became a proud owner of my first tricycle, or you can make sentences like that only. I became a proud owner of the first tricycle in 2007. Likewise, you can complete this story of your life, and then at last you will mention your name here. So students, this is also to be done by you because it is a story of your life. I cannot fill it like this only, so you will do it by your own and fill in the book only. And then students, now we have D part. D part is read it yourself. You know what is the meaning of this part? This part is just for reading, right? This part is just for reading. There is not any question, nothing, just for your reading, to enhance your reading, to tell you something, right? And this is a tape script, and this tape script, I hope you have heard this tape script in your CDs, that is, I have shown you in your book. I hope you have played that CD and you have done that exercise. So students, this unit 1 celebrations is completed here only. This you will read by your own, just for reading, nothing else you will do. Now students, let us begin with second unit, that is hobbies. Hobbies, you know what are hobbies? Whenever we ask anyone that what are your hobbies, people used to say reading is my hobby, traveling, watching TV, playing cricket, or anything they used, singing they used to say. So what is a hobby? So students, hobby is a task or an activity you do on a regular basis पे you do that thing. And when you do it, when you are busy? No, you do it when you free. Regularly means, suppose every Sunday you are free, right? So what do? Generally you read a book, you paint, or anything else. Whatever you do on a regular basis, that becomes your hobby. So this unit is all about hobbies. So let's take up the introduction portion at first. People follow different hobbies depending upon their aptitude and means. So you know how people take up different hobbies. First thing is their aptitude, that is their taste, that is their interest. And second is means, that means कि उनके पास material भी है उसका. Suppose you like something extraordinary but you don't have any kind of material with yourself, then how you will be able to pursue that hobby, right? Use the clues given below and solve the crossword puzzle related to hobbies. You can work in pairs. So students, that is a very interesting activity. So देखो वीडियो में भी नज़र आ रहा है, but what you can do, you can skip this thing in the video and you can directly solve it here only. So across, firstly across. A tale in a book that is read, or one that is told to us in bed. 5 letters. So that is story, story, story. Then 5. Tank of water for us to see, colorful fish from far off sea. 8 letters. So that is a very beautiful one. So that is aquarium, aquarium, aquarium. Then 6. It is an ink filled writing tool. You can see writing tool that you use at home or school. 3 letters, that is pen. So here it is pen, pen. Then to move your feet round and round in tune to the music's happy sound. When you do it, when you move your feet round and round with the music, when you do dancing, that is dance. So that is 9. Where is 9? Yes, DANCE, dance. A toy that is made with paper and gum to fly about in the sky. 4 letters. The picture is also here. Then number 11, that is kite. Now downwards. A little piece of paper with a colored front and glue on the back that is put on your mail. With it the mail gets delivered without fail. 5 letters. So that is stamp, STAMP. To go through the printed word written in a book, magazine or card. 4. Here it is. Number 2. Where is number 2? That is read, when you read. Okay. A wonderful box for you and me that lets us take pictures of what we see. 6 letters. And the option is also here. That is camera. Then these up to here only I have solved. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. You will solve these by your own, and I hope you are going to enjoy solving them. Okay students, only 4 you will do. Fine, others I have done, so you can fill it from here only. Now A part, A1. Read the words given below. Now match these words given with the hobbies they are related to. Add 2 or more things that you associate with the hobby. Now for example, photography. So here in this in these options, reel is given over here. Okay, reel. Then you can add camera, photo frame. Fine. Now students, fishing. So from here I have taken up, that is hook. I have written here hook. What you are supposed to do, you are supposed to write two more things that are associated with fishing. Okay, I have taken up hook. 2 more you will fill it by your own. Then dancing. Then from here I have taken up anklets. Then here you can add 2 more of your choice. Then stamp collection. So for stamp collection we need, from here I have taken up album. So we need an album. Here 2 more you will write by your own self. While doing embroidery, for embroidery we need needle. ठीक है, एम्ब्रॉयडरी यू नो, एम्ब्रॉयडरी कपड़े के ऊपर इतने सुंदर सुंदर डिज़ाइंस बनाते हैं. ओके. Then gardening. For gardening we need spade. From these options, otherwise we need many things. So you will write 2 things of your choice here only. For music, here it is written compact disc. If you remember what is a compact disc, that is CD. वैसे तो आजकल DVDs चलती हैं, but that is CD. Then for traveling we need a suitcase. From these options I have taken up suitcase. 2 more you will write of your own choice. Then reading we need bookmark. Okay. Then 2 more you will fill it by your own. Then for painting I have taken up brush. Here I have written brush. 2 you can write by your own. So students, this is your homework. This you will do by your own, and these 4 you will do by your own, and then this one you will do by your own. So students, up to here only we will study today, and in the next video we are going to start the poem, that is bedroom skating. So students, complete your work in time in your book so that you will not be overburdened afterwards. Thank you students. Have a nice day.